Have you ever imagined waking up one day, and realizing your paycheck doesn't matter anymore? What if the money sitting in your bank account suddenly became far less important than it is today? Sounds impossible, right? But that's exactly the future Elon Musk believes we're heading toward. He recently suggested that by 2036, artificial intelligence and robots could produce so much that money itself may become far less important. But is this a brilliant prediction or just another bold Elon Musk statement? And more importantly, what does this mean for your financial future? What did Elon Musk actually say? Before you panic, let's clear up one important misunderstanding. Elon Musk did not say that cash will disappear overnight, or that your bank account will suddenly become worthless. What he suggested is something much bigger. He believes artificial intelligence and robotics could become so productive that almost everything people need, food, transportation, healthcare, manufacturing, and many services could become incredibly cheap and abundant. If machines can create unlimited value at almost no cost, the traditional role of money may become much smaller than it is today. That's a fascinating idea. But there's a huge catch. Think about technology over the last 30 years. Computers became cheaper. Internet access became cheaper. Cloud storage became cheaper. Even AI can now perform work that once required highly paid professionals. Imagine this trend continuing for another decade. Factories run by robots. Self-driving delivery trucks. AI doctors helping millions. AI teachers available 24 hours a day. If productivity explodes, prices for many goods and services could fall dramatically. That's the future Musk imagines. A world of abundance. But here's what many economists disagree with. This is where the story becomes interesting. Many economists believe money will still matter. Why? Because not everything is unlimited. Land is limited. Homes are limited. Prime locations are limited. Natural resources are limited. Luxury experiences are limited. Even if robots make products cheaply, people will still compete for scarce assets. And whenever something is scarce, money still matters. History has shown this over and over again. Technology changes industries, but scarcity never completely disappears. Instead of money disappearing, the economy may simply change. Some jobs may disappear. Many new jobs will appear. AI could make millions of workers more productive. People who learn AI skills may earn more. People who ignore technological change may struggle. We've seen this before. The Industrial Revolution replaced many jobs, but created entirely new industries. The Internet eliminated countless careers, while creating millions of others. AI may become the next major transformation. Whether Elon Musk is right, or completely wrong, there are several smart financial moves you can make today. First, keep investing consistently. Second, build valuable skills that AI can't easily replace. Third, avoid relying on a single source of income. Fourth, learn how AI works instead of fearing it. And finally, remember that financial freedom has never been about chasing predictions. It's about making smart decisions consistently. So, will money stop mattering by 2036? Maybe. Maybe not. No one truly knows. But one thing is certain. The world is changing faster than ever. The people who stay curious, keep learning and continue investing in themselves, are usually the ones who benefit the most from change. Instead of asking, will money disappear? Ask a better question. How can I prepare for whatever the future brings? Because that question could be worth far more than any prediction. If you enjoy videos that break down the biggest financial ideas without the hype, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Because on this channel, we don't just talk about money. We talk about how the future of money affects you. And remember, the best investment you'll ever make is in your own knowledge.